of everything.
What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing another order that I've ordered from Circle Clothing. Yes, you heard it. Another order I've done with Circle Clothing. The last decent order I did with them, it was a lot of mess ups. You could watch my other videos. Too short one of the hoodies that they never sent me. They gave me a code. I tried to put it in this time, and of course the code didn't work. But the customer I'm doing this for really likes these hoodies. They like the feel of these hoodies, so they really wanted these hoodies. So I had no other choice but to order from them again. Like I said, I like the hoodies. They're decent. I mean, they run a little small, so if you're an extra large, get a 2X, vice versa, whatever. Sorry, it's been a while since I did a video as well. I just had surgery, so I'm trying to get back in the mix. Just so that you see, this is the way it came in, UPS today. I also got another order coming from them. Hopefully I'll get it by Wednesday. This box is pregnant. It looks like it's gonna pop open at any time. So I'm hoping nothing in here is damaged. I only have one white hoodie in here, so let's go for it. I just gotta take it easy here. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Of course, alright guys, these are the perfect sweat hoodies. So supposed to have 37 of them, so let's see what the mess up is today. Alright, that one looks pretty good. On to the next. So I've ordered a few heavyweights. I ordered I think 1 or 2 lightweights and a couple crew neck sweaters. Guys, like I said, I don't knock this company. This company gives good apparel. I just don't like the way they deal with things. It's hard to get a hold of them. Everything's through email. Wait for them to get back to you. So it becomes a little bit of a hassle, especially, dealing business to business, I would say. So it is what it is. I mean, my customers like it, and I just wish that their way of dealing with customers. Oh, what I noticed is that they started putting the metal tags on the heavyweights at the end of the strings. Thanks for listening. That's very good. But before they only had the metal tags on the lightweights, and I was like, wow, they should have made it for the heavyweights too. That would make a big difference. Yeah, that's good. Very happy about that. See, they're listening to the people. Like I said, I really like these hoodies, and I wish, and I repeat myself, I wish that their way of dealing with customers was a little bit better. I would do all my ordering from them, because I even like their t-shirts. The t-shirts are good too. So I haven't found one company yet that actually makes a hoodie like this. I just wish it was true to size. Make them true to size, That way we don't have to buy an extra. Oh, look at that. They actually put. Huh?
We didn't get that.
Yeah, we didn't get I guess a boxing. What do you call that?
Invoice.
And well, not an invoice. Packing slip last time. So that's great that they sent a packing slip. So that way I know they checked it. But I did write in the comments. I said to please make sure all sizes and colors are correct before shipping, and that the customer was picky. So I'm hoping they read it, and that's why they did it. But everything looks good so far. Last one, guys, and this box is dirty, so definitely want to clean up my table before I put any of the apparel on there. And this is a medium. It looks like they're cutting the tags and they're actually writing the M on the tag. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to get the shirt dirty, but sorry guys. If you can see that, they're actually writing in the M on the tag. So I'm hoping this is a medium. I'll compare it to a small to see. I don't know why would they write it. Yeah, it looks like they cut it off and then they wrote medium on there. Maybe it came, you know, from the manufacturer with a wrong tag and they wrote it in themselves because it fits a medium person. So let's hope. I counted all the shirts. I did everything. I checked all the shirts for damages. Everything came out perfectly. So for me, it is a definite plus. This is my third decent order with them. Like I told you, I ordered about 40 something hoodies, almost 50 hoodies. I'm very happy. I am very happy. Everything came perfect sizes. Everything came clean. Everything came perfect. Can't ask for anything more. This is the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I have more videos like this. Just like I said, you could try them out. Just make sure you get all your stuff from them. I love the hoodies. I don't knock the company. I just wish that they had a one-on-one type of phone call that I can call to the office if something happens or something is short. Guys, go try it out. I mean, I have the webpage down in my description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.